Will cuts to Harvard research funding harm national security and public health? Let's find out. I'm Eleanor from MWIG. Each week we pick a new story to practice some media literacy basics. Looking at an article from Reuters about how Harvard is trying to unfreeze $2.5 billion in blocked funding for cancer and national security research. While the Trump administration has said the funding freeze is to encourage Harvard to shift away from woke ideologies, Harvard officials claim the move violates the university's right to free speech. First, let's stop. Let's learn more about Reuters. Ad Fontes rates Reuters as being reliable with analysis and factual reporting, and in the middle or very slightly to the left in terms of bias. Now let's find more coverage on the story. This article by AP News says that Harvard is committed to its researchers and is fighting funding cuts in court. It's also trying to pull funding together to offset the impact of the federal freeze, but, quote, cannot absorb the entire cost of the lost federal funding. Some research that could save lives has been stopped, according to the Harvard president, and years of work may be lost. Finally, let's try to trace this information back to the original source. On the website of Harvard's Office of the President, there's a link to an official statement by Harvard President Alan Garber that discusses the funding freeze along with a link to the official complaint. So, could cuts to Harvard's federal research funding harm national security and public health? From our research, many officials and experts are concerned that it will, but with universities looking for alternative sources of funding, we'll have to wait and see. For more media literacy content, subscribe to our free weekly news roundup.